Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Webull versus Thinkorswim for day trading. We'll explore their key features, advantages, and disadvantages to help you decide which platform best suits your trading style. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding these differences is crucial for making an informed choice. Let's dive into the details and see which platform comes out on top for your day trading needs. Webull shines with its intuitive design, making it very accessible for newer traders. Its mobile app is particularly well regarded for ease of use. You can also trade during extended hours, from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, offering significant flexibility. Plus, Webull provides competitive margin rates, potentially as low as 3.99% for larger account balances, which can be a big advantage for active traders. It's a great choice for those prioritizing cost efficiency and a streamlined experience. Thinkorswim, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for serious traders, offering incredibly robust charting and analytical tools. Its platform is highly customizable, allowing for in-depth technical analysis and strategy development. You'll find extensive educational resources and excellent live support, which is invaluable for mastering complex trading strategies. Thinkorswim truly excels in handling sophisticated option strategies, providing the tools needed for advanced risk management. So, which platform is better for you? If you're a newer trader focused on cost efficiency and a user-friendly interface, Webull is likely your best bet. However, if you're an experienced day trader who demands advanced analytical tools, deep customization, and comprehensive market data, Thinkorswim offers unparalleled depth. Both are strong contenders, but they cater to different trading styles. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.